everyone, welcome to my tutorial. I'm going to show you how to make the most money here in the game. You can start by doing that, calling the little people, and these guys will come out. But the very first thing we're going to do, let's act like we just logged in, yes? The very first thing we do is go outside. Literally don't do anything else. We go outside. You collect your tickets. Send the old guys away. Okay, and you want to collect your tips. I don't have any, but you do want to collect your tips because see how it caps out at 15 tips? So if you keep calling the people and keep calling the villagers, your tips are going to cap out and then you won't make as much money. I'm going to show you how to make the most money. So see how it's counting down? 4 minutes and 30 seconds. Do not call the villagers. Do not call them. You're gonna count down for the performers and then you're gonna leave. Because you want the villagers to give the performers tip money, and I'll show you in a second, in 5 minutes when they come back. So we want to go down here. Your conveyor belt makes you money while you're away. So you want to keep an eye on that. Do your daily draw. Or you see I have, ooh, wow, I got a couple there. And so you see I actually have some. I can do another one even though it's not free. I got secret characters. Over here, secret characters. Do your quests. Those are a great one. You can see the Chinese New Year is in season right now, and I have the Chinese New Year set up. I also have it set up over here. I have to send Hedwig away. You definitely want to do your little wishing wells every day. See how it says expires in 1 hour? So I'm going to come back and do my wishing well. But I feel like I don't need to do that on the tutorial. But come, do your flowers, do your wishing well. Collect your free bait. I always put that guy away. Anyway, there's your fish game. Oh, Charlie. Hang on. Sorry, guys. Okay, and then here you definitely want to be doing your coins. I really only do the ones that count for bells. Like, see this one here, 11 stars. I really don't do those ones, but like obviously you're more inclined to if you want. But I usually do the ones with bells down here, like see 400 bells, because then you can buy limited edition stuff with those bells. I haven't bought anything yet, but I'm saving up still. I believe it goes until, it doesn't say when, but I think this event goes till like March 3rd, I think. But someone double check me on that. Here are your resources. You use things like cans and flowers to buy the things that you need for your little going on missions. Oh, see, look, now I can go. And off he goes. And I'm going to get 400 bells for that. Oh, I got a picture. Oh, I never get pictures. Okay, so this is your rating. You want to keep up with your rating. I'm at 4,000 something. You do want to keep up with your rating because we're going to go back to the hats. Let's go far down. Must reach 5,100 likes. So I don't have enough yet to reach this one. So you're going to want to keep up with those likes in order to get the cooler hats. And obviously, as you keep going, they're going to become worth more and worth more. So keep that in mind. Definitely. Come up here. You're going to want to keep up with this too. So here's his next group. So here, this one comes every 3 days. I know a lot of stuff resets every day, like the fountain and the ticket booth, but this one only resets every 3 days, every 72 hours. So keep that in mind when you come to this guy's shop. And in the shop, there will be stuff like this, or there will be stuff like this. So it's important to just keep an eye out and see and keep an eye on this thing, but it's every 3 days, not every day. And then this is how you get new resources for that. You just spin the bottle, basically, and then you get more resources. Okay, now, ooh, look at all my money. Okay. Now we can go back outside. Now that we're done and you've done everything in the house, look, see how the performers are here? It'll give you recommended. Here, it gives you little recommended ones because your poster is active, and then you click it, right? Woo! And so now this poster is going to make you even more money. And now we call the villagers. It is so important not to call them while you're doing the countdown, and here's why. See how it says 19 minutes? Some of these performers are only performing for 30 minutes. So if you're gone, see 30 minutes, if you can't call them for 19 anyway, just don't do it. If you want to make the most money out of your tip jar, I mean, you're not going to get it right away. You have to come back in a few hours. But it's one of these things to do to make money while you're away from your game, not quite while you're in the game. So then all these little villagers are going to tip the performers, and that poster, you can see it's active and that it's actively sparkling. Sometimes you won't have a poster for all 4 performers. It's okay. It happens. It doesn't happen a lot, but it does happen. These guys, you can send on little quests into the restaurant. I'm not going to because they need to be looked after, and I don't know. I'm just not going to do that right now. Okay, so definitely send them out. Use your fountain. And that's it. That's basically it. Happy playing. And that is how you can, go here. So these coins, these diamonds, you get free 10 diamonds every day. See how I have 500? I didn't buy 500. I get my 10 free diamonds every day, every 24 hours. So that's it. Basically, focus on what you can make every 24 hours. Go to your daily rewards, of course. This one reloads every day. Your tip jar earns you money while you're gone. Your conveyor belt earns you money while you're gone. These guys, they earn you stars and bells when you're gone, even if it's not the money itself. So definitely, I mean, I don't have any of these materials right now, but definitely go through yours, buy the material you need, and then just take off with it. It's the easiest thing to do. It's the best way because you don't want to miss out on all this limited edition stuff. Ooh, dress up preview. And you can see what it's going to look like on them, which is cute. So that's it. That's my tutorial on how to make the most money in this game. Okay, bye.